What is going on, everyone? Oh man, it is Sunday. Sunday fun day. But I'm here in the garage. I got a different vehicle in here today, as you can see, as the thumbnail, something else. This is our 2004 Yukon XL, all-wheel drive. But this is our family vehicle. But it's in here to kind of get some maintenance done on it finally. Uh, but when I went ahead and bought this, um, it always had a rattle problem in the rear. And I mean, it didn't really bother me, but it kind of did, but it didn't. It ran, it drove good. I mean, even for being all-wheel drive, this thing actually doesn't do too bad on fuel. Uh, I mean, it's a big XL, third row, all-wheel drive 5.3, and it still gets about 18 to 20 miles per gallon. So, anyway, so all I was really worried about at the time was a good, dependable vehicle. And now it's time to do some maintenance on it. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get the rattling fixed. And as you can kind of see, I'm a little dirty. So, I've already started it. And I got the passenger side done already. Getting ready to do the driver's side. So I'll show you what you guys need to do and everything else. If your '04 Yukon is rattling in the rear, it's really honestly an easy fix. I got these shocks at AutoZone. They were $61.99, but I used my account, so they were cheaper. But if you just walk in and don't have a commercial account, um, you're going to be paying roughly about $61.99 each. Um, so they are the Duralast shocks. I'll give you the part number on them here in a second. They lifetime warranty, so if anything does go wrong, I mean, it's good. It has a lifetime warranty. But yeah, I'll let you guys sit there and see the part number real quick. Uh, Duralast shock, designed to improve handling, braking performance, and to restore vehicle to the original ride quality. Contains one, so you gotta buy two. But number right there. You can see I got the old mic on, everything else. Oh, dropped my clicker. But now it is time to show you what the problem is on your the rattling problem in the rear. So as you can see, I already started. I have a 21 millimeter wrench right here, 21 millimeter ratchet on this side. At the very top, it's the same thing. Right there. You'll have to come through. I know it's a little rusted, but the other side is right up there. But anyway, all you do is just loosen it up. It's not too hard. If you're not mechanically inclined to do it, it's not really too hard. But listen. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the bolts. Like I said, it is a 21 millimeter. You can use a shallow socket or a deep well. Up on top, the top bolt, you're going to end up needing a extension, that size right there, and 6-inch extension, and you'll have to come through and everything else, but it's really easy to get to. Hopefully you eating your Wheaties and all that stuff, because sometimes they're a little bit pain in the butt to break loose. So if you have some WD-40 or PB Blaster, spray the bolts before you start doing it, and it'll kind of help loosen it up, the corrosion and everything else on the bolts, and help them break loose easier. But let's get started. Now, it was hard to video the upper bolt and try to hold it and everything else, the camera, but you could sit there. I can't move it. So that was it. All new shocks will come with this little strap, everything else. I leave them on it until getting ready at the end. You can't get it off, so what I do is little pair of side cuts or a razor blade, and then pull it out, and then that's it. Alright, well, I'm gonna turn the light off. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Get the rattle out, everything else, and needless to say, we're gonna go take it for a test spin here pretty quick as soon as I pick up the tools, and then taking down a really back road, and we're gonna try it out. The other thing is that I did not mention, when you're up under it, you're going to have stuff fall in your eyes. So, safety glasses, I would say, would be a must when you are literally doing anything under a vehicle. That's why I had a lot of lights, because these are tinted. So, but with those safety glasses, I gotta have some nice light. So that's why I got this. Had the those LED lights right down there. They are, I think, 10,000. I think, maybe. Let me find out. Well, I ain't gonna find out because I don't got the box anymore. But, needless to say, hopefully this mic here is better. You guys can hear me. But I'm gonna go get tools picked up and everything else, and we're gonna go for a ride. Alrighty, well, I can't show you the video of the taking it down the back road and all that stuff. I didn't know my phone was going dead, so it started really glitching really bad. You could actually started seeing it in part of the video that it was kind of glitching a little bit. That was because my battery was going dead. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, the rattling part on the Yukon, it's fixed. It doesn't do like a clunking rattle when you hit a bump. But all that's fixed now. So sorry guys, I couldn't give you that video and everything else. I did find out that one of my test hit spots, somebody's been doing some testing. So as soon as the truck's done, I'm going to figure out who's been testing on my test hit spot, because as far as I know, there's only one vehicle around in that area that test on that road, and well, it's this guy. So otherwise, that's about it on that. Hopefully here soon. I have motor for the truck. It's getting closer and closer. The rest of the parts finally came in. So now not sure when it's going to be done and everything else, but it's whenever it does get done. And the guy that's doing it, he actually went racing last Sunday and tagged the wall in his truck. So yeah, I'm glad. Good. Everything else besides some rash on it. He has to put a new bedside on it, and then like the tail light and all that stuff. But he got it pretty good. I'm just glad he's okay. The truck does live for another day. But otherwise, I think that's about it, guys. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos, watching, subscribing, liking, sharing. I really do appreciate it. But hopefully this video right here helps you out on if you have like just a rattle in your rear. Like I said, it could be one to two things: your shocks or your sway bar links. If it's your sway bar links, you'll be able to tell by the at your sway bar, because the links will be broke. It'll be broke. So anyway, it was an easy fix. I had it done about an hour and a half. So for both sides. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump off here. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, everyone.